Hello there, you okay? Just a quick one regarding this helmet, which is the Shark GT Spartan. Basically, there's a bit of confusion online as to how you actually take the visor off these particular models. And I stumbled onto this issue when I first got it, which was, well, today. So basically, if you have a look here, it's a pretty poor, not design, but it insinuates that this lock should go all the way up to this unlock mark here. And what people were doing, if you look at online, there's no manual with this helmet that I got. It sort of suggests that you bring it all the way around and then you pull it out, and there's a video of a guy ripping the visor out, and people are breaking the visor, the actual visors on them. Two little tabs here. So I'll show you the correct way to do it. It's very easy once you sort of know what you're doing, but there's nothing online really that tells you what to do. So what you do is you put it halfway. So you've got this little icon here. What you want to do is you want to pull it down until it has no resistance on it. And you want to do the same to the other side. You want to pull it down until there's no resistance on it. Excuse the slippers, it's pretty cold. Right, put it down until there's no resistance, so it's kind of flopping about, so it's in the middle between the two icons. And then what you want to do is you want to like move it up or down, the actual visor, and you should see these things pop out like that. Now you can push that in and out, same with the other side, and you can see that pop in and out, and you should be able to see there's a gap there now on each side. And then all you do, there's no tension on the visor anymore. Literally all you do is you pull it out, which is a bit difficult with one hand here. That's it. And people have been breaking these tabs off because the online sort of videos and stuff really don't help. And it's as simple as that. So once you've got it sorted, I just wanted to put this video up because I did see there was a video online where some guy basically just ripped the thing out, and people, there's comments on it of people snapping the tabs off. So it is a bit of a stupid sort of feature really. Well, not the feature or design, it's just misleading, where you've got the unlock sign and you've got the lock sign, and it kind of insinuates that it has to be all the way up here, but no, it just needs to be in the middle. Because if you look at this little part here, in the middle is where it's got no resistance on it. Full lock looks to be locked, which is stupid. Sorry, unlock seems to be locked, and locked seems to be locked. So either way, it locks it, unless it's in the middle when it meets up with that little thingy there. So just a quick one. Hope that helped. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.